All right, so let's talk molecular hydrogen here. What molecular hydrogen is two hydrogen atoms that are bonded together, uh, floating free with no oxygen attached. Hydrogen is the lightest molecule on Earth, colorless, tasteless, odorless. Um, when you drink it, you don't taste it. You can inhale it. There are benefits to breathing in hydrogen gas. Um, so it's quite nice. And your body already makes it. So when your gut is breaking down dietary fiber, it's producing hydrogen gas. So you have H2 inside you the whole life. And then obviously, we're made up of a lot of water, 70 to 80% water, which is two hydrogens paired with an oxygen molecule. So it's quite interesting. But scientists, there's tons of studies, and you can check it out. I'm on hydrogenstudies.org right now. They have tons of studies, I think 1,500 peer-reviewed studies showing the benefits of molecular hydrogen, whether it's taken either you can drink it, you can inhale it, or H2 Tab or several other brands also have a bigger tablet that goes directly into your water that you either bathe in, or what I like to do is the cold plunge. So drop that tablet in there, soak in the cold plunge between 4 and 6 minutes or so, whatever you handle. And that molecular hydrogen will actually go transdermal and go into your body that way as well. So what's really neat about hydrogen and what these studies are showing is it selectively targets free radicals. So free radicals are missing an electron, right? They'll grab an electron for whatever is nearby these free radicals, and including healthy cells, they'll steal from them, and this damages them. Oxidation and redox is a natural part of life, but we found that when there's a buildup of free radicals and things like that, then we have oxidative stress, and that is damaging. So think of when you cut an apple, a real fresh apple, you cut that thing and it starts to turn brown right in front of you. That's oxidation happening right in front of your eyes for everybody to see. So over time, this oxidative stress builds up. Research has shown that it links to things like accelerated aging, okay, lower energy, chronic inflammation, dozens of serious diseases. Chronic inflammation is at the core of almost every single condition and disease that we deal with today is chronic inflammation. So if you can get that inflammation down through whole foods diet, supplementation of aminos and things like that, and then hydrogen is another step, what I like to call biomaxing. So using this modern day science, when it's not anything crazy, it's just a natural occurring molecule, you can use hydrogen to help heal and selectively target these free radicals that you have in your body. So it's quite cool. The hydrogen molecule is so small; it's 500 times smaller than vitamin C, and it selectively targets the most harmful free radicals. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, which most antioxidants cannot. So they're really large molecules, but the hydrogen molecule is very, very small. So it's able to just slip right through there. It can reach the mitochondria, right, the powerhouse of the cell. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, like I said. And then it neutralizes and selectively targets those free radicals. That's what's so neat about it. You again, don't take my word for it. Go to hydrogenstudies.com and you can check this stuff out for yourself, guys. Look it up. It selectively targets the hydroxyl radicals, and it leaves the free radicals that actually benefit you for your immune defense and your cell signaling. So that's what's neat. Scientists are calling this selective oxidation, where it's very rare, but it's a neat, naturally occurring molecule that you can take, and it has a cumulative effect. So you want to make sure that you make that part of your daily routine, right? Take your hydrogen water every day. If you do cold baths or even in your hot bath, make it a weekly routine. You can use it for recovery as well. It's not just for specific disease processes. We also want to prevent disease, because remember, it's not about just adding years to our life. It's about adding life to our years, okay? We want to be as healthy as possible the whole time that we're here. So that's just a brief overview on hydrogen. I'm going to do a little more in-depth video on it, but seriously, guys, check it out. Hydrogenstudies.com will tell you all about it. And if you are interested in either the H2 tab to drink or that you can put in your bath water, you can go to H2 tab and click, put it in your cart or whatever. And if you use the code Jake10, you will actually get a 10% discount. So that's a huge benefit. So go there yourself to the H2 tab website, punch in Jake10 for the discount code, and you will actually get 10% off just for putting the code in. So do the research, check it out, watch some other YouTube videos of people way smarter than me. But this is a life-changing thing. I think it's going to become part of people's daily routines, just like taking vitamins is. So check it out, and thanks for listening to me. Have a nice day, everybody.